You received the radiator, model W1, wooden radiator. This is the parts, just 5 panels, very easy to connect. You have 2 sides, you have top, you have left and right. Left and right, number 3. Horizontal parts, just 2 pieces, number 2. Number 2 goes inside number 3. Same thing in the bottom. Number 5, balusters that will fit exactly between these 2. Spread the rest of the balusters, spread evenly. You have left side that goes on the left. You have right side that goes on the right. Bottom space bigger than top. Then top goes on top. Use the nails or glue and your radiator is ready.